Good morning, class 6. So we will start our next topic, metal, of chapter 2. What is metals? Most of the elements are known as metals like iron, copper, zinc, gold, lead, etc., calcium. These are common metals. Metals are, how come we know that these are metals? And what are the properties of metals? Well, metals, they are usually hard, solid at room temperature. But some metals are exceptional. They have their own rules, because sodium, which is also a metal, but it is soft, that you can cut it in knife in room temperature. Mercury, which is also a metal, but you can find it in a liquid form, that is in the thermometer where you see. All this I am talking about room temperature. They have high melting and boiling point. The metal tungsten, it has the highest melting point, that is 3422 degrees centigrade. Whereas mercury, they have the lowest, minus 39 degrees centigrade. Metals are usually lustrous. That means those are shiny. Example, gold, you can see this is shiny, this is metal. Silver, this is metal, it is shiny, so they are shiny. They are ductile. They can be stretched or made thin wires of it. Yes, from gold, silver, you can see wires are made, and then ornaments like chain and designs are made of it. So they are ductile. They are malleable. That means they can be beaten into sheets. Yes, gold, silver, iron, these are all metal. They can be beaten into sheet. That's why iron sheet has been made. They are sonorous. That means they produce a deep ringing sound when struck. If you strike on a iron plate or iron metal, you can hear the sound. You know that. So they are sonorous. They are generally good conductor of heat and electricity. Whereas tungsten, which is a metal, is a poor conductor, which is an exceptional. Okay. Next is non-metal. Hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, bromine and iodine are examples of common non-metals. Non-metals also have some properties. What are they? They are maybe solid or in a liquid or gaseous form in a room temperature. Example, carbon, sulfur and are solid, whereas oxygen and hydrogen are in a gaseous temperature at room. Bromine is the only non-metal which is liquid at room temperature. Moreover, carbon exists in different forms of solid. They soft should, and diamond is the hardest metal known in a solid form in the nature. Carbon can both be hard and soft, both. Example I told, diamond. They have low melting and boiling points except diamond and graphite. They are not lustrous, that means they don't have shine in them. Whereas carbon have shine when it is cut out of it. When it is brought out under the soil, it is hard rock. No shine is there, but when cutting is done on it, then it shines. Graphite and iodine are lustrous nonmetals. They are non-ductile and non-malleable. You know what is the meaning of ductile and malleable? Non-metals that exist as solid are brittle. Brittle means they break into pieces when you hit on it. The hard object like a hammer. If you hit on it, it will break into small pieces. They are non-sonorous, that means they do not make sound. If you hit on a carbon, they will not make sound. They are bad conductor of heat and electricity. Graphite, which is nothing but carbon, is an exception. It is a good conductor of electricity. Okay.